All right, here we are, ukelikethepros, Terry Carter, and I got a very special 1, 2, 3 ukuleles that I'm going to show you here. If you notice, Pepe Romero, these are part of his baby grand piano project. Stick around, this is going to be amazing. All right, Terry Carter, ukelikethepros. Wow, absolutely amazing. These are part of Pepe Romero's baby grand piano projects. And what happened was Pepe took a early 1900s piano, a George Steck piano that he got, and it was beyond repair. Just too much to repair, so what he decided to do is make 11. That's right, only 11 instruments. And we got 3 of them here for you, which are available at store.ukelikethepros.com. So thanks for being here. Make sure if you're new to the channel, maybe first time seeing me, haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. All right, I got 2 of these tenors. These are basically like his series 5 tenors. By the way, these are made by Pepe. All right, the man himself, Pepe Romero Jr., one of the best luthiers in the planet, the best luthier in the planet, made these by hand, and these soundboards are taken right from that piano. These are gonna sound and they feel and they play like nothing I've ever heard, because this wood is over 100 years old. All right, you ready? Let's dive in. This one right here is a tenor, number 4 out of 11. Let's see how it sounds. Ooh, the resonant. And see that? Man. A little piece from my fingerstyle mastery course at ukelikethepros.com. All right, this tenor right here, number 4 out of 11. That's it. 11 total ever made. He took the wood. This is this top wood, which is a spruce, Aeolian spruce, that he took from the piano himself. All right, made these tops. What he did is took some Honduran rosewood, made it look kind of old style, not too much of a high gloss finish, kind of nice patina on it like the top. He had these original George Steck labels duplicated in this gold leaf here and put on every single one of these. Absolutely stunning. This is a tenor. I mean, what do you think? Can you hear? Do you hear these things? I mean, these things sing. I mean, this wood is over 100 years old, resonating here. Hand carved neck, made by the one and only Pepe, and of course is Pepe Romero headstock with the Godot tuners. Absolutely stunning. This again is number 4 of them. These things right here are part of history. They're part of this piano's history. They're part of Pepe's history. But all right, let's see what's in the next one. All right. Next one here we got is, number 11 of 11. The last one, this is a Tiny Tenor. I think he made 2 guitars out of this piano, 6 of these tenors, what's that, 8, and 3 Tiny Tenors. And we got this one, 11 out of 11. This is absolutely phenomenal. What you're gonna notice with these is they're not perfect. He did not try to restore this wood back to perfection. He left it with all its vintage age, all right? They're not defects. This is part of the wood. This is actually what makes it, give it its sound. I've noticed with my instruments, sometimes I've even had instruments crack on me before. They sound better sometimes. So all this stuff is here on purpose, but don't get me wrong, these things are solid. You're not have any issues with these because they're made by the best in the world, Pepe Romero Jr. All right, 11 out of 11. This is the Tiny Tenor. Let me play, let me play something here. Game over. You know, right here, store.ukelikethepros.com. That's where you can get these biggest Romero's creation deals in the planet. I play these things all the time. So many of these things. This sounds like this one right here. One, compared to the Romero's creations, this is the handmade by Pepe, and it just has a presence to it. It has a sustain. This Aeolian spruce is just amazing, combined with the rosewood, or sorry, I said rosewood. This is Honduran mahogany. If I said that earlier, it's actually Honduran mahogany that he used for the backs here. Absolutely stunning, hand-carved necks, of course. Absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, number 11 out of 11 of the Pepe Baby Grand Piano Project. All right, last but not least, going back to the tenor, number 6 out of 11, and this one is one Pepe played in the video that he did on this project, but another tenor, absolutely stunning. If you look at this one, you might say, oh my gosh, it's got some like blemishes and stuff here. It is, because that's taken right from the piano just the way it is. Again, the spruce top and then the Honduran mahogany that he used just made it nice and patina looking. Hand-carved neck, Godot tuners, absolutely phenomenal. I mean, the presence that these things have, they bounce. They just bounce off the fretboard. I mean, they're loud, they're clear, they're resonant, they're full of life. I mean, that's what you get when you get 100-year-olds tops. Of course, the Pepe Romero Jr strings. Game over. These are really, really special. Pepe put a lot of time, effort, and thought into this whole project, even down to the gold leaf George Steck labels on each one of them. They're not only a collector's item, they're a work of art, but yet also meant to be played and, I mean, made by the man himself. And you know, Pepe is a good friend of mine, big supporter of ukelikethepros, and I love all his custom stuff that he does. So anyway, we got 3 models here. Store.ukelikethepros.com, 2 tenors, 1 tiny tenor. Once they're gone, they're gone. 11 total instruments. How special is that? Made by Pepe Romero Jr. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. What do you think? If you haven't done so already, make sure to drop a comment below on what you think of these Pepe Romero Jr. handmade ukuleles from his baby grand piano project. Very, very special, and I look forward to seeing you owning one of these masterpieces.